When I was walking in the mall, one car salesman gave this to me. This is the leaflet of the pickup truck. But what caught my attention is that this pickup truck is an EV and the prices are so affordable. So I saw it again here and I just want to share it with you. Let's go. This is the new Radar D6 Econ and this is an EV pickup. And there are three variants. The Econ two-wheel drive, which has 63 kilowatt hour. This is the Econ two-wheel drive, 73 kilowatt hour. Econ four-wheel drive, 73 kilowatt hour battery. You see the length is 5,260 millimeters. And for the long bed is 5,500 millimeters. And the rest is the same. So for the width is 1,900 millimeters. And for the height is the same throughout the variants, 1,865. And for wheelbase is 3,120. For the long bed variant is 3,310. Ground clearance is 220. And for four-wheel drive is 225. Wading depth is 815 millimeters. This is good. And minimum turning radius is 6.1. What else? Payload is 955 kilograms. And for four-wheel drive is 1,160 kilograms. The cargo bed capacity, the same for Econ four-wheel drive and Econ two-wheel drive. And for the long bed is 1,765 by 1,450 by 540. For powertrain, 245 PS for both rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive is 136 PS front and 245 PS rear. For the torque is 309 for rear-wheel drive and 485 for four-wheel drive. And the range, driving range, two-wheel drive, pure EV range is 369 NADC and 327 WLTP. For long bed is 443 NADC and 383 WLTP. Four-wheel drive is 390 NADC and 350 WLTP. Acceleration 0 to 100 kilometers is 8.1 and for long bed is 7.8 seconds. Four-wheel drive is 5.7 seconds. Top speed is 160 kilometers per hour all the way. Battery type is lithium iron phosphate or LFP. Charging time for rear-wheel drive is 8.1 hours. DC is 32 minutes. Long bed is 9.4 hours for AC and DC is 30 minutes. For four-wheel drive, AC 9.4 hours and DC 30 minutes. Vehicle to load function, they are equipped. 2 kilowatt portable charger included. Other important point here is the warranty. Bumper to bumper warranty, 5 years or 150,000 kilometers. And same with the long bed and also four-wheel drive. For high voltage battery warranty, 8 years or 200,000 kilometers, all of them. So this is a good warranty. And available colors, we have the Aurora White and Charcoal Gray and Cosmic Black. But what about the price? For RD6 two-wheel drive, the SRP is 1,398,000. The introductory price is 1,358,000. For RD6 Econ long bed two-wheel drive is 1,598,000 SRP and 1,548,000 introductory price. For RD6 Econ four-wheel drive is 1,748,000. For introductory price is 1,698,000. I'm not sure during the release of this video the introductory prices are still in place. I'm not sure about that. So thank you for watching.